As a first homework, I want you to extend the signed example. So in the signed example, the condition was that there was a parameter of type pub-key hash, and the owner of that pub-key hash had to sign the minting transaction. I want you to add a second parameter of type POSIX time, and the condition should be that minting or burning is only allowed if this pub-key hash has signed the transaction and if the minting or burning happens before this time, this deadline. This is already a quite realistic minting policy. A lot of projects might want to use that. So they specify their own pub key as this first parameter and then set a deadline, whatever, a couple of days in the future. And then they mint what they want to mint. And because they have some time, they can make modifications if they made a mistake or realize they need more or less tokens. But then once the deadline has passed, the amount of tokens is fixed. If you like, you can also modify the off-chain code, so this Lucid signed, to adapt it to this minting policy. So you will have to do something similar to what we did for the off-chain code in the vesting example to take care of this deadline. And as a second homework, I want you to change the NFT policy such that the token name can no longer freely be chosen, but has to be the empty byte string. Also note that here I did it the usual way. So the parameter is this txoutref, the UTXO that has to be consumed. And in the untyped version, I just also use the same type, txoutref. So this is how you would normally do it, but this is less well suited for off-chain code with Lucid.